Today I'm going to show you how to update and add education to your Upwork profile. If you are educated, if you have secondary education certificates or qualifications, you need to go into your profile. You need to come down over here on the left-hand side. You'll see education. If you just went to high school, it doesn't really count for much. I'm not going to lie. It's kind of like a downer if you only have this on your profile. But I put it in there just to complete my profile to 100%, which I got free connect for, and also I get a couple other benefits. So go ahead, click on the plus icon here. Yeah, you can choose the school that you got this qualification from, and then the dates that you attended, so from and to. And if you haven't yet finished it, you can go ahead and choose a future date. The degree that of which you are obtaining this, of course, is optional if you're not actually getting a degree. The area of study, of course, you can add in whatever you want there. And then a description. Now, all of these things are optional, but the more information you put in here, when somebody goes down and has a look at your education, they'll see, oh, you did this, and you did that, and you did this, and you did that. You've got a long list of education. So obviously you are further educated and you have a higher chance of getting noticed by the client and also being hired by the client.